The shine, kids. Rise the fucking shine. Anyway, I looked like I was dying right there. Today is the Streamy Awards, which I'm so excited to be part of. I'm so honored to be nominated. Thank you so much to the Streamies for nominating me. It's so fucking awesome. Me, Laura, Patrick, Jacqueline, and Christine, Simply Neological, are all nominated for the beauty category. So I think it's a really fun, strong category that we're all in. I'm so proud of us all for being nominated. It's so fucking sick. Currently, Joseph is on his way over to bring me some options to wear tonight, because I honestly have nothing. I got nothing. Because I've been out of town so much recently, I haven't, bought shit. I haven't bought shit. You know, so, we'll see what we end up wearing tonight. Don't know. But it should be fun. Nick's coming with me, so I'm really, really stoked. Nick, my brother, of course. If you guys don't know, he's my brother. Hi, I have a child brother. I have a little brother, child brother. What's like? He's 22. I'm a little delusional. I just woke up, so sup, Snipsy fam. Trying on some stuff for tonight. Amen. Oh, just want to chill. Enjoy, Daddy. Inside the party, girls on me. F1 type Ferrari, 6 kiss speed. Girl, I love it when your body grinds on me. Me and Nick are heading out to the Streamies very soon. We are so excited. This is gonna be really, 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 really fun. Laura's dress is making it look like there's fireflies in the house.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty. Yeah.
It's so pretty.
Gigi just won. I'm so excited. That's my colleague.
That's why we
so proud of her.
Everything. So it was super.
We're here to present the Streamy nominees for beauty.
Beauty category.
Jacqueline Hill.
Yes, Jacqueline. Yes, Patrick. Patrick won for this.